Every year, many birds, mammals, fish, and reptiles travel long distances for food or breeding. These migrations are some of nature's most amazing journeys. Here are the top 10 greatest migrations on Earth. Number 10. Flamingos. Flamingos are beautiful pink birds known for their large migrations. They fly to saltwater lakes and shallow wetlands where they find food and safe breeding areas. Their main food source is algae, which helps keep their feathers pink. Flamingos travel in big flocks, flying in a V shape. They can migrate hundreds or even thousands of kilometers to places in East Africa, South America, and Asia. Number 9. Golden jellyfish. Golden jellyfish in Palau don't travel far, but they move daily to follow the sun. This helps tiny algae inside their bodies get sunlight for photosynthesis. They exist in huge numbers, creating a breathtaking sight. Also, some jellyfish species are biologically immortal. Scientists study them to understand their incredible lifespan. Number 8. Sea turtles. Sea turtles make some of the longest ocean migrations. In 2008, a sea turtle was recorded traveling over 19,000 kilometers across the Pacific Ocean. It swam from nesting beaches in Indonesia to feeding areas near Oregon, USA, before returning. No matter how far they go, sea turtles always find their way back to the beach where they were born to lay eggs. Number 7. Whales. Baleen whales travel the longest distances of any mammal. They spend summers in cold polar waters and migrate to warm tropical waters to breed in winter. Gray whales travel about 22,000 kilometers every year, while humpback whales cover around 26,000 kilometers, making them the longest migrating mammals. Number 6. Salmon. Salmon have an incredible journey from the ocean back to freshwater rivers where they were born. They swim thousands of kilometers, overcoming strong currents and waterfalls, to return to their birthplace and spawn. Number 5. North American reindeer. Caribou. Caribou in North America make the longest land migration of any mammal, traveling about 4,800 kilometers every year. They move from Canada and Alaska to the Arctic coastal plains in search of food rich in nutrients. Number 4. Monarch butterflies. Every October, monarch butterflies begin their migration, peaking in December and January. Thousands of these orange and black butterflies fly to California to escape the cold winter. Their journey covers about 7,000 kilometers and takes 3 to 4 generations to complete. Some even cross the Atlantic Ocean. Number 3. Wildebeest. One of the most famous migrations is the African wildebeest. Millions of them travel together each year, joined by zebras, gazelles, and other animals. Predators like lions and crocodiles follow them, making this journey a dramatic survival challenge. They travel about 2,900 kilometers, mainly during the dry season in June and July. This can be seen in Kenya's Masai Mara Wildlife Reserve. Number 2. Red crabs of Christmas Island. Over 120 million red crabs migrate on Christmas Island every year. They move together like a giant red wave to the sea to lay eggs. This usually happens between October and December. At the peak of this migration, even traffic on the island stops to let them pass. Number 1. Humans. The world's largest human migration happens in China during the Lunar New Year, known as Chunyun. Over 40 days, around 3 billion trips take place as people travel home to celebrate with their families. Trains, cars, and planes are all packed, making this one of the biggest cultural and travel events in the world. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing migrations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you next time.